In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extensions in Google Chrome. This simple process will help you enhance your browser's performance and remove any unwanted or unnecessary extensions that might be cluttering your Chrome experience. If you've noticed that your browser has been slowing down recently, or you're just looking to declutter your workspace, removing unused extensions can make a big difference. First, open your Google Chrome browser. This is where all our steps are going to take place. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots. This is your menu button. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu offering a variety of options. From this menu, navigate to More Tools. Clicking here will present you with another set of options. What we're looking for is right in this list. Select Extensions. Doing so will open a new tab in your browser, displaying all the extensions currently installed. Take a moment to scan through the list of extensions. You'll notice that each extension has its own card detailing what the extension does. On each extension's card, you'll find two main options, a toggle switch and a remove button. The toggle switch allows you to disable the extension without uninstalling it. This is handy if you want to come back to it later. However, if you want to completely remove an extension, simply click the Remove button. After clicking Remove, you'll see a pop-up asking you to confirm your choice. Chrome does this to ensure that you don't accidentally delete something you might need. If you're sure, click Remove again. The extension will be immediately uninstalled from your browser. Repeat this process for any other extensions you want to remove. Remember, having too many extensions can slow down your browser's performance and even affect your privacy and security online, so it's good to keep them in check. One final tip before we wrap up. It's a good habit to regularly review your extensions. With regular checks, you can maintain an optimal browsing experience and ensure that you're only keeping the tools you truly need and use. So as you evaluate each extension, consider how frequently you use it and its importance to your browsing activities. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove extensions in Google Chrome, helping you to keep your browser running smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and happy browsing.